Uh, Excuse me, ma'am. May I know what kind of soap you use? Because I want to suggest to all the girls. You looking damn gorgeous. Why? Why?
Why are
You?
asking me?
The reason why? Because you just look like angel, and I can't control myself. You are amazing. Yeah. By the way, my name is AJ. What's your name?
Shivani?
Shivani. Yeah. Nice to meet you, Shivani. Like, I am the director of of the love. I am the director of the love. You look amazing, like when you smile.
Thank you.
Why? Why you killing people?
I'm not killing anyone.
But you're killing me.
Don't get killed by the smile.
I love you too. Yeah. I just wanted to say this, like roses are red, violets are blue. You be my Cinderella, even I'll give you a shoe. So I was here like with a band called I Love You Band, and they play the music. Why you are laughing? It's a crazy thing.
Yeah, whatever you're saying.
Why? It seems like you like funny guys.
Yes.
I like you too. Do you think I'm funny?
You
Yeah.
are funny.
So you started liking me. इतने
Can I
जल्दी?
start liking you?
You just said you like funny guys.
But I can't start liking you so.
Why? Just because I'm ugly with no swag, you're rejecting me?
No, not because of that. I barely know you.
You can know me. I'll send you my biodata. What's your email address?
I won't give you my email address.
Okay, so basically you are saying that you are ready to give your heart, not email address.
No, I didn't say that.
See, now you're killing me. Yeah. So you waiting for someone or
Yeah,
you
I'm
ordered
waiting for my
something?
friend.
Okay. Do you have any kind of a pet name or should I call you baby? Baby is fine, okay. Okay, baby, you want me to order something for you, like coffee or something, cold coffee? I guess you
Sure.
like cold coffee.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
Cold
you
coffee will work.
work?
Yeah.
Okay. And what else work?
Anything to eat?
Anything to eat? You can eat me.
बहुत तेज हो रहा है
Yeah. So it's kind of an awkward situation, but trust me, I started liking you, and I know it's kind of a short time, but I'll definitely be with you all the time. Yeah. So you dating someone?
No.
Sounds interesting now. See, basically, I'm also not dating anyone, and I'm also not dating anyone.
चल झूठा
Angel,
Who is that angel?
Angel Shivani. Yeah. So what you basically do? You
I'm
just
a
kill people?
dancer.
You kill with dance?
Yes.
Just khatam. Yeah. So Bollywood dancer or something?
Yeah.
I like Bollywood song. I'm a great dancer. Whenever
Which style you do?
Ganpati style.
I will teach you a better style.
Oh, which style? I love you. I want to learn I love you style.
There is no style called as I love.
I know I love you style. Then I'll teach you I love you style. Yeah. Just say I love you.
Why would I say that?
Because I'm teaching you. I'm your guru.
Okay. I love you.
I love you too. Yeah. अभी फ्यूचर में अपने बच्चों को बताना होगा ना कि मम्मी ने प्रपोज किया था, मैं तो आई लव यू टू बोला सिर्फ. ऐसा बोल सकते हैं ना. तो बच्चों का भी प्लान है.
नहीं है.
नहीं. अच्छा नहीं है, नहीं करना है. हाँ, मुझे भी एक्चुअली बच्चे नहीं चाहिए थे. पता है
क्यों?
क्यों? क्योंकि मुझे जिंदगी भर तुम्हें बेबी बुलाना है ना. खत्म. डांस की तरह, तुम्हारे डांस की तरह खत्म. So which kind of stuff you do in dance? In salsa or something or?
Yeah, I do salsa, I do hip hop,
Mhm.
I do contemporary.
Okay, everything.
Yeah, everything. Do you know any style?
I know.
Only one style.
Yeah, one style. Which style?
I love you.
I love you too. कितने बार प्रपोज करोगी? Yeah. Hmm. So you hang out like
Hang out
every
like?
day, this place?
No. Not this place.
Mhm.
Clubs.
I used to stay close to this location actually. Yeah, बहुत नजदीक में रहता हूँ.
So?
Hmm?
So?
So मेरे घर पे जरूर आना कॉफी पीने के लिए. पक्का? Promise?
Promise.
Yeah, promise मत तोड़ना. फिर मेरा दिल टूट जाएगा. दिल नहीं तोड़ना है मुझे. मेरे दिल में तुम रहती हो ना. नहीं वो अनिल अंबानी का. और किसका दिल तोड़ना है तुम्हें? Yeah. Yes, one coffee. Cold coffee, yeah.
How do you know I like cold?
I know everything about you.
What else do you know about
You like mountains. You like hill station.
me?
You like Maldives. You like Paris.
Yes.
You like margarita
No.
pizza. You don't like margarita pizza.
Margarita pizza.
Yeah. You like momos.
Yes.
You like cheese Maggie.
Yes. Anything in cheese.
Anything in cheese. Cheese pasta. White sauce pasta. See, I know everything. Okay. It was like really amazing to meet you. Can we just like share Instagram or Snapchat?
Sure.
What's your Instagram ID?
Shivani_K97.
Sure, I'll definitely gonna follow you because my mom is keep on saying me follow your dream. So I'll definitely follow my dream. Yeah. By any chance, like people call you dictionary or something?
No. Why would they call me?
Because you are adding meaning to my life.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, cool. See ya.
See
Yeah.
you.
I'll call for coffee. Okay. Yeah. Shivani, actually just wanted to tell you like we are shooting a YouTube video and we are shooting from there. So it was like really amazing to have you in the
Why
video.
would you shoot a video?
Yeah, because you're gorgeous, you know. Why you're
Why
gorgeous?
would you tell me? What?
Because you're amazing, you're cute, you're hot, you're excellent, you're fabulous. Okay, शांत हो गई. यहाँ मैं पिघल गई. Okay, so it was really nice to meet you. Like, I'll definitely ping you on Instagram. Yeah,
Sure.
cool.
Hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up. Share this video and subscribe to my channel for unseen videos. You can also follow me on Instagram. Links given in the description. Follow कर लो यार Instagram पे.